with a superior life form. He was determined to prove his theory.
It's like magic, isn't it?
He gave up everything for his passion.
You miss him.
Serge, he revolutionized the industry. He's a genius, an inspiration to all of us.
Well, others made contributions as well, Jessica, and sacrifices.
Yeah, well, I know that.
Sometimes I wonder.
Listen, I was thinking, if we just adjust the scalar transducers on the cycloplexer, then maybe we'll get a better result.
I know what I'm doing, Jessica. You have to trust me.
Yeah, well, I hope so.
It speaks to me.
What does it say?
It doesn't speak English. It's more like a compass. I'm just following its forces. One day it might speak to you.
Listen, I want you to be careful, okay? I've seen what that thing can do. The consequences, it can be catastrophic.
You should be more appreciative.
Yeah, well, you should be more cautious. Serge, listen, just talk to me. I can help you.
If we only follow the paths of others, we'll never find its true potential.
I just don't want to see you get hurt. If I lose you, there'll be nothing left.
No matter what happens to me, our research will live on. So will our experiences. Don't you get it, Jessica? The days of Jesus and the crosses will be over forever. Just roll with it. That's what I would do. Besides, I've always dreamed about being in the desert.
Yeah, I know, but I'm just worried about you. The mind's a powerful thing. The subconscious will play tricks on you.
Look. See how the sky's a perfect mixture between light and dark? That's how I dreamed. The stars are gonna fall, Jessica. Let's get back to camp.
As dusk turned into dawn on that warm spring night, Jessica followed Serge back to the base of the mountain, where together they continued their research.
What are you doing?
Making a wish.
Oh, yeah? What are you wishing for?
Peace on earth.
I thought you said the days of Earth were over.
They are. Well, for us, they are. You know, we should be documenting this. Where's the camera?
I think it's in the tent.
Here, take my picture. I want to make this moment last.
Serge lived his life as if every moment was an experiment. He was breaking into a new frontier of scientific possibilities. The scientist brought the alien corpse back to the base, where they began to conduct the autopsy.
This is amazing. There's no skin decay. Her body's been preserved as if she never died.
Maybe she's not dead.
No, we have no pulse and we have no brain activity.
She's beautiful, just like I remembered her.
Please, don't touch her, okay? I don't want you to get disease or infection or anything. Just step back.
Okay, but don't hurt her, please.
I think her days of pain are over.
That's not true. Even the dead can feel pain.
Okay, I'm gonna make an incision on her upper abdomen. Serge, I need the scalpel.
I don't think Serge is quite ready for an autopsy right now.
Are you still tripping?
You know I'm tripping. Everyone knows.
Well, can you at least hold her feet straight?
What the?
Let's put her back in the woods where she'll be safe. It's dangerous for her to be out here. Please, please, I beg of you. My name is Running Owl.
No.
Running Owl.
Running out.
That's right. What is your name?
Gora.
Zangora.
Thangora. You buried me in that bag and left me to die.
I meant you no harm. I was waiting for a higher power to guide me back to you so I can take you home.
Apologize.
Please, please forgive me. I meant you no harm, Zangora. It was for your own good. I didn't mean any harm. Forgive me, please. Please.
Come with me
Where to?
into space. I can show you wonders you never imagined.
Your brain, it's so developed.
Yours would have been too, were it not for the impact.
What impact?
The asteroidal impact. Fortunately, our race was spared from the collision.
Wait. We can share our knowledge with each other.
There is nothing that our race can learn from yours.
We've sacrificed everything for the sciences, and we need you. You can't go.
We are all scientists, cataloging the universe as we go.
Well, why did you come here?
Your blood,
What are you gonna do with it?
it is rich in proteins. Triple the longevity of ours.
Can I go with you? Please take me with you.
It is the professor's desire to be alone in space.
The strength and power you acquired on this journey have found their mark. The light from the center of salvation has touched us all. Now use this experience to find what you need, and may the power of the cosmos be with you.
In conclusion, the events that took place in May of 2013 were not a hallucination in the direct sense, but more of an illusion where ordinary objects took on extraordinary meaning. The knowledge